So the first thing I'm going to tell you is learn how to do research. And a lot of people overlook this. Look up how to do Google research, because the problem with doing with research, it's only as good as the answers you seek. So when you're trying to, and I'm going to give you some tips on what to look for. So when you're looking for research, when you go into Google and you just say, top 10 supplements, and you think you're doing research, you're not doing good quality research. There's a whole bunch of times you're looking for very specific answers, and to get those answers you need to know how to edit out certain answers that come from a certain time, because all of a sudden an event happens and that keyword is now filling up the first 3 pages and so forth. Study doing research, and it's as simple as literally Googling how to Google, okay? And learn those tips for researching, because it will make you a lot better. So here's a basic tip, and I think most of you heard it, which is go and look up reviews from other products that are similar. You use Amazon for products and Yelp for services. And you want the long negative reviews, because those are the ones that are more honest and using, language that you can help, re-engineer. And by the way, the negative can be turned into the positive. Somebody says, I got one of these ball chuckers and I was throwing it, and after 20 it broke. Well, you can turn that into, ours won't break like those other cheap imitations because it's made out of a high polymer plastic. Look at it the way that you can turn negative into positive aspects and make that your USP.